going on, guys? Got a GE top load washer, and we're going to be replacing the drive motor, which is right there. Pretty easy job. We got a new one right here in the box. And there's a circuit board right on top up here with a red light that will blink for normal operation. Throws codes if there's something wrong. And this washer here leaked water down through the tub seal, ruined the transmission, and must have got water on the motor too, because now the board doesn't light up, doesn't work at all. So I'm gonna be putting a new motor in. So the first thing you want to do, obviously have the washer unplugged. Then you want to unplug these harnesses right here. You can leave the harness in with the blue and black wire. That's an internal harness on the motor. And then there's 4 3/8 bolts that go down. You want to take the nuts off those bolts and pop the belt off as well. So let me get a wrench and we'll get started. Okay, pop the belt off. All you have to do is just work it down as you're turning the pulley and it will drop down off. Pull it out and there's the belt. And then the 4 nuts underneath here, just break them loose and then you can spin them off. Go ahead and take the 2 front ones off. And once you have those off, you want to slide the motor forward. Now you can finish backing out the back ones. You can't do it when the motor's back because once you drop them down so far, it's going to hit the pulley. And do the same thing on this side. Lift up on the motor and just walk it out. There's the old one, there's the new one. Go ahead and get all this opened up here. Alright, we got the new motor out of the package. Now we'll put the back 2 on first. Get those started. That way we can clear the pulley. Alright. Back 2 started and they're pretty snug. Tighten up the front one. Go ahead and plug your motor in. plugging in these 3 harnesses. Alright, I'm going to snug up these 3/8 nuts here, and then we'll get ready to put the belt on. Alright, now we're getting ready to put the belt on. We got all 4 of the 3/8 nuts tightened up, and this is a belt install tool. Makes installing the belt very, very easy. So all you want to do is just split this open and put it at the bottom of the shaft here on the motor. Just like that. And that'll help hold the belt on there as you wrap the belt around the pulley. So then we'll get the belt, slide it underneath the pulley and the motor. After you have the belt in there, next thing you want to do is get a zip tie and zip tie the belt to the pulley, and then we'll work it around until the zip tie comes on the other side, and then we'll cut the zip tie off and we should be good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and put that zip tie on there. We'll be right back. Alright, we got the belt around the motor and we got the zip tie right there. So now all we want to do is just keep turning the pulley and just kind of hold the belt right up here above the belt install tool to make sure it doesn't pop off. So I'm going to set you guys over here. Alright, once it starts to get tight, just keep pulling it. The belt will work its way on. There we go. Pop the tool off. That's all the install tool is. Let's put it together, put the band on. And here's the zip tie that we spun around. Cut that off. Alright, cut the zip tie off. Now just get ready to hook up the water in the drain and we'll give it a test run. Alright, we got the water hooked up, got the drain in there, got it plugged in. Ready to test it out. See if we got a light on the motor. Oh, that's a good sign. This one here, no light. Got it on small. Okay. Let it fill up. See if it starts agitating. Alright, looks like we're washing. Alright, it's replacing a motor on a GE top load washer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.